Hi, my name is Yasmin Robles with Robles Designs, where we create drill-worthy websites and brands for entrepreneurs who are hell-bent on taking over the world. And today I'm going to be chatting with you about the one thing that you can do right now if you are on a low budget and you are just starting out your business. You literally just decided to do this like 1 hour ago and you need to get something up online. So I got this question, thank you so much for the person who sent it, from someone on my email list who was asking, she has been thinking about this business for a while and she has social media and she wants to start pushing it, but she wants to be able to send someone to her website, to a digital home base. And she also knows that no matter how many followers you have on Instagram or social, that if you don't have their email list, you basically lost them if the platforms for some reason get lost or are taken down. So here is my take on what she can do right now on a low budget. What I told her was to start getting a landing page set up and start collecting emails. She does not need anything else. You don't need a homepage, about page, whatever. You can get to that later, but she needs to set something up right now. And for images, she can go on Pexels.com and she can just add a little blurb about herself on the landing page, explain what she does and have some contact information. But her goal for this landing page is to collect those emails. And a great way to do this, as far as I know, is through MailChimp, because they do have, I believe they have a free option where you can have that landing page created and it'll sync to your MailChimp list, right? So then after that, after you created the list, also make sure to offer something in return for the email. So whether that is a video, an audio, a white paper, whatever that may be, offer something in exchange, because it's like them giving you their address, right? Their home address. They don't want to be bombarded for no reason. They don't want to just sign up to get newsletters from you. They want something of value. Explain to them what they will be getting. And so they're signing up. Make sure you create the welcome email that needs to happen. Give them the freebie that they signed up for. Make sure that they are getting value every time you send out an email, and make sure that these emails are being sent out regularly. So you do that, and then that would be like, if you need to get something up real quick, that would be your number one. And in terms of cost, if you pay, I'm not entirely sure about the pricing, but if you pay for MailChimp, then you can have, I believe, your domain name, or if you can sync your domain name somehow. Domain names are, I don't know, it depends on where you get them, like $5 to $20 around there. It depends also on the type of domain name. And you might want to get that now, even if you can't sync it yet. And then, but ideally you would sync it. So for me, let's say I had no idea what my business name was going to be yet, but I need to start marketing. Maybe I would do YasminRobles.com. I would create that landing page, make sure to collect emails, and that landing page will go, that link will go everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever it is that LinkedIn, wherever it is that I am marketing, that's where that link will go. I will market that link and make it something of value, right? And so people will be going to that landing page, signing up and getting that automated email. You can then, if you offer services, start offering them, tell them who you are, start offering them services. So all that information that they would have gotten on a website, you can definitely put that in the automated sequence. So let's say I sign up for your free workout video, workout from home video. And so you send me that video or a link to that video on YouTube, wherever that may be embedded. And then you would go and send me, if you can, send me a couple of more emails, like introducing yourself, introducing what you do, introducing your social media. Just keep sending me, and then send me value as well every so often in between those. So it can't be me. It can be me, value, me, value. So make sure you're sending those emails out. And that is it for her. I thought this was great for her business, just to get something really fast up and running. It could be in a couple of hours. Again, for images, you can go to Pexels.com. They're free, and you can just get started. Beyond that, I would say really go around, and I know you have a landing page, but then go and play around with a couple of platforms. Squarespace has a free couple days. I believe Shopify does as well. I'm not sure about WordPress.org, the open source one, because you would have to go through hosting like Bluehost, GoDaddy. WordPress.com might have a free trial, but I have my issues with WordPress.com. Later video. But yeah, so go around, play around with Wix. There's Wix out there, right? A couple of my clients are on Wix. Just go around and play with these different platforms and see which one works for you. Because if you're DIYing it, you will be the one in that admin panel every single day trying to fix that site, or not fix it, but trying to build that site. And so then after the landing page, you're going to get the home page, about page, contact page started. If you're selling a product, obviously a product or sales page. And go on from there. You can watch other videos. I explain that stuff as well. But essentially, you are going to need to create a landing page and get a domain name and start collecting emails. That is what you need to do right now. If you have nothing and you're starting from scratch, do it and start marketing your business and start kicking some major business booty. So let me know if you have any questions. I can be found on Instagram, of course, at Robles Design Studio, on Facebook at Robles Design Studio. You can find me at roblesdesigns.com, where I do offer for some freebies and I have a free website planning guide, a free website audit video series so that you can audit your own website. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me if I don't respond, because I am getting lots of questions from people that are slightly freaking out. Then just send me another one with a little smiley saying, hey, just wanted to pop into your inbox feed again, just to make sure you got my message. So yeah, message me. I'm more than happy to help. Message me again if I kind of fall off, but I look forward to supporting you and helping you. Send me your questions. I would love to tackle them, and have an amazing day.